disease. Hello, fellow addicts. I'm your disease. I'll not let you sleep or put your mind at ease. I'll not let you sleep or put your mind at ease. No matter where you go, no matter where you go, I'm always be here for you. I'm always be here for you. A very pleasant and warm afternoon to respected listeners. This is Afia Tabassum, student of 12th class representing Paramount Public Senior Secondary School Kya. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartiest thankful to Dr. Monica ma'am and all other respected members of Chamba Police. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to reflect a light on burning topics of nowadays, that is drug addiction. I'm going to represent my topic on Nasha Mukt Ek Bharatiya Samaj Ek Chunoti. We all know that life is a gift of Lord, and it is the gift that is pure, precious and beautiful. Beautiful. But I'm very unfortunately to say that many people are destroying their life by moving towards the massive catastrophe by getting involved in a drug addiction. Drug addiction is a psychiatric, psychological and social problem which affect the youth of our country, especially the passing of many years causes it more popular among the youth of our country. Youths are the very important part of our society, and the youth cover under the age of 15 to 29 is considered as the backbone of any nation. I feel proud that India is lucky enough to having half of its population as youth, but sadly we are not utilizing most of their potential. Respected listeners, it is a cause of great concern that about 60% of drug addicts are from educated classes like school, colleges, universities, etc. Now a question arises that who is responsible for this? I think it is the responsibility of parents, because charity begins from our own home. Now think, if the father is smoking in the front of his young child, so can he expect his child not to do smoke? Again, respected listener, a question arises: why a person get addicted towards the drugs? Depression, like frustration, tension, social isolation, and something happening very wrong, like disheartening, sadness, that makes a person more happy and attracted towards the drug addiction. Here are also other factors leading to the drug addiction, that is unemployment, excessive pocket money, modern lifestyle. Dear listeners, I ask you a question. Have you an idea the pocket money which we give to our children, where do they invest it? Yes, they invest it in buying the drugs. They think that doing drugs is more important from them. They want to show their reputation high and want to show that they are the grown-ups. Drugs can reduce the cognitive efficiency of the children. It makes them dull and the very bad performance at academics level and also at development of their personality. When a man gets addicted to the drugs, he becomes addicted and he wants more and more dose. In the first phase of drug addiction, his mind shall get irritated. In the second phase of drug addiction, he has not awareness about his own self. And in the third phase of drug addiction, he loses his physical balance and muscular coordination. And obviously, now the confusion surrounds him and very fastly he is digging his own grave. Drug addiction causes the quarrel in the families, divorce, and most important, obvious, the failure of the children. 10 years ago, a study was revealed that showed there were the 7 lakhs drug addicted people in our country, including in the metros like Delhi, Mumbai and Pune alone. But surprisingly, now this figure is very high. The ratio is quite high. Drug addiction has spread its roots all over the country, India. Now, I'll tell you that this is a serious disease, but definitely there is the solution to curb such a serious problem which is engulfing our adults, which are engulfing the youth of India. If the affected families, communities, government, media plays the role helping the addicts to to get more attractive towards the society and do the productive work and use their energy in a constructive way. So yes, they could again rejoin the mainstream of society with renewed hope and enthusiasm. So, friends, we all have heard old saying, prevention is better than cure. It's to apply in the war of drug addiction. Right? Now, you can stop, but you do not want. When you can stop, but you do not want. And when you want, you can't. That's addiction. At last, I would like to end my topic by saying few lines. शायद इस हरकत से उसको सुकून आया, शायद इस हरकत से उसको सुकून आया, चंद लम्हों में माहौल में जुनून आया। पहले एक रो रहा था, अब कईयों को रोता पाया, अगर जागती है ज़मीर तो अब भी जाग जाओ, इस बुराई से तुम दूर भाग जाओ, रोकनी होगी बर्बादी, बदलना होगा अब ये ज़माना, आओ मिलकर कदम बढ़ाएं, नशा मुक्त भारत बनाएं। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।